So here we are, 8 months after the great Tamborine tornado, the kind of storm that made Dorothy's trip to Oz look like a light breeze. Who would think Australia would have a tornado?
Of the damage, houses smashed to pieces, roads blocked.
Tornadoes aren't common here, but when they hit, even the ducks start questioning their life choices. There's the biker gang. Odin's warriors they are. But the gang we're looking for are the feathered variety. Have a look at this. It's spring and mum and dad and all the chicks are out in full force. What a wonderful time to visit Mount Tamborine. Time to fuel the van, head off from Carrara this time, and it'll only take about 20 minutes max to get to Tamborine Mountain. We'll be at the base first, looking for those wonderful feathered friends, and we're going to look at the history of why Mount Tamborine's called Mount Tamborine. And Beck, my co-pilot, is on board, and we're travelling toward Hinze Park. And all the flora and fauna and everything else is waiting for us. There's no megafauna like there was in the last video when we're looking for Bigfoot. Not in this one. Hinze named every rock, tree and park bench around here after himself. You'll see Hinze Dam, Hinze Park, Hinze.
But there are some Australians, like Russ Hinze, who refuse to be forgotten, long after you've forgotten why you wanted to forget them.
Well, Beck's here, and I try to explain they're not Hinze ducks, they're wild ducks. So guys, it's all happening at the base of Tamborine Mountain. We have ducks and little ducklings. Oh, spring's on its way. You know, I think these animals have adapted post-tornado geese. They've probably got street cred now. This is a duck or a goose? So whatever you do, don't feed the ducks and geese and everything else junk food. Don't feed them Fruit Loops, they'll end up looking like this. Oh well, let's hit the top of the mountain and see the shops.
Please make sure to hit the like button.
Everywhere, Tamborine has growing pains, but look at this, someone parked that close to me. Give me a can opener to get out. That was absolutely rude. Ah, coffee, the universal elixir for surviving natural disasters and questionable life decisions. Let's fix ourselves 2 coffees coming up right now. Well, there we go, Beck. Where are we having coffee at?
In Mount Tamborine.
Have you seen a tambourine yet?
I haven't.
It's a musical instrument, tambourine.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that before.
Yeah. Haven't seen one yet,
Okay.
But tambourine is an indigenous name for wild lime found in the area. Look at what else is found in the area now. Hemp honey. Is it for eating or a face mask or both? Cheech and Chong were ahead of their time. Well guys, I did buy myself a treat at the, what's it called? Hinterland Hemp shop. Come in this nice little hemp bag. And the guy wrapped it up pretty well. Bex talked me into buying it. So here it is. I haven't opened it up since I bought it. Here it is. Woohoo! It's a hemp shirt. There we go. There's the hemp sign. What did I pay for it? $135. And it's a nice white cloth, hemp cloth shirt. There it is there. Looks pretty cool actually. And it feels really nice. Apparently it's supposed to last, was it 7 times longer than a normal shirt would last. So look at the quality there, it's pretty nice. Anyway, you've got to buy yourself a treat when you're out van lifing, and we will see how this goes. I won't be wearing it to lunch because I do not want to stain it with any lamb shank juice. So anyway, this is it now. It's made of hemp, 100% hemp, and yes, long sleeved. I don't usually wear long sleeve, but it's a pretty cool shirt. Yeah, what do you reckon? Pretty nice. Love it. Got the Superman underneath. My old Superman shirt. I absolutely love it. It's a Kmart special from donkeys years ago, but it's so comfortable and so nice. So, let's get back to the video. Beck was keen to show me this St. Bernard's Hotel. She was raving about it, so off we went. St. Bernard's Hotel has no dogs allowed, but the place is full of dogs, but you've got to be a St. Bernard and you've got to be an intergenerational St. Bernard. In other words, you've got to be born here. They're practically part of the furniture now, like furry, drooling, four-legged chairs. Hello. Their intergenerational survival is depicted here.
It's awesome view here. Yeah.
Beck's keeping an eye on the sun.
But look, we just made it on time for the sunset.
Oh, awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Now to try and eat these lamb shanks without a St. Bernard's nose reaching up beside it, because they're on the roam around here. They love a bit of food, but they love a sleep too. And we haven't seen a tambourine at all. Another day in Vanlife paradise. Survived the ducks, the geese, the giant dogs, and now the stampede of sunset chasers. Here we go. The lookout is not far away. It's Robert Stoter Park Lookout. We've got an awesome park up right in the front where everyone's gathering. They're all here specifically for the sunset. It's a big thing for tourists, locals, and van lifers like us. This scenic lookout is like the United Nations of lookouts. Everyone from every part of the planet is here, waiting for that sunset. We all share the same sun, no matter what part of the globe we live in. Everything's perfect.
Yeah.
Even Beck. It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey? Well, we're on the edge of a mountain
Beautiful
here.
view. Yeah.
Everyone else has to sit on the grass. We just sit in the lounge. Dream of your van life watching this. I know, right. Too healthy for me at the moment. Too healthy after my lamb shank. We had some people from the Czech Republic. Some young people wanting to borrow my fry pan. So we obliged. Okay, we just lent this lovely young lady a fry pan. Oh, look at this. Is that straight from Czech Republic?
It is. I just bring it from straight Czech Republic. I was flying from the Prague right here just with hot dogs for you guys. Yeah. Ahoj, jak se máš? Zdravím Česko, zdravím svoji rodinu a doufám, že se mají dobře. A doufám, že se vám bude dařit dobře.
That was a lovely gesture. We didn't want anything for it. And they brought us back a lovely meal they cooked with the fry pan. They were desperate for a fry pan, but isn't it great when people just get along, share resources, and are all happy? We didn't realise that because we're inside the van looking out, that a lot of people were getting a bit cold out there. The second the sun dips below the horizon, watch, it's like a race back to the cars. Yep, nothing says magical sunset like sprinting for your vehicle as soon as the lights go out. I think the parking meters are solar powered. What's going on? Is it raining or something? It's all starting to melt. Is it raining, is it? Is it raining? No. And that's how you do a day trip with coffee, hemp, and a side of tornado history. And thank you, Beck, for being an awesome co-pilot and companion. It's been a wonderful, wonderful day. Now make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, leave a comment and share the video. Stay awesome, everyone.
Zdravím Česko, zdravím svoji rodinu a doufám, že se mají dobře. A doufám, že se vám bude dařit dobře.
And maybe some St. Bernard slobber for good luck.